So focusing on the scalp, I will spray into the scalp and massage. If you've used garlic before on your hair, you know that it is very, very powerful. Garlic is so rich in sulfur and keratin, which is what your hair needs to grow. That is why I decided to use it for my scalp treatment. Garlic also stimulates blood flow to the scalp, delivering essential nutrients to the hair follicle. Garlic fights dandruff. If you're battling with dandruff or any scalp issues, garlic is something you should try out. It is very good. I've been using it for some period now, and I can honestly tell you that it is very, very good for your scalp. The only downside to using garlic is that garlic smells awful. So you cannot put it on your hair and decide not to wash it. You will smell so bad. So if you're going to use it, be rest assured that you're going to wash it off. So this is how I make this garlic juice. I got a handful of garlic, peeled the bag, and then I blended it, poured it into this jar and poured in some hot water, and allowed this to infuse for about, I think this has sit for about 2 days here inside my refrigerator, and then this is it. Very quick and easy. This is a wonderful scalp treatment for someone who doesn't want to do too much. This will take care of your dandruff, your build up, any scalp issue you might have. This will take care of it. This is like 10 over 10. 10 over 10. If you're looking for scalp treatment, this will do it for you. After saturating our hair with the garlic, we are just going to put on a shower cap and allow this to sit for a while before we get into the bathroom. Okay, these are the 3 things you need: a scalp brush, a washout conditioner, and of course a shampoo. Yeah, unless I forget, a leave-in conditioner. You cannot skip that. Let's kick the wash day off by drenching our hair. It is very important that you start your wash day with a drenched hair. This will quickly take your hair from 0 to 100. After drenching our hair good, let's start with the shampoo. We are going to use the Moringa Oil Natural Hair Strengthening Shampoo. I have been using this shampoo for the past 3 months now. Yeah, 3 months or more. I can't remember really. This shampoo has really been a big benefit to me. It lathers so well, and it is very watery. Like, it is not thick, so it distributes evenly into your hair and softens the dirt. Also, it is quite cheap. It is not on the pricey side, so anybody looking for affordable shampoo should go for this. As you already know, every wash day starts right from the scalp because that is where the growth takes place. So we need to take care of the scalp first before the length of our hair. That is where the sebums and the build-up are, so we need to take care of that. As you can see, look at how dirty my hair is. The camera is not even doing justice. It was so dirty. I usually wash my hair 2 times, majorly the scalp, because I believe washing it once will not get the hair clean, so I need to do it 2 times. This is just me rinsing out the first one, then I'll go ahead and apply some more shampoo and wash it again. And of course, my trusty scalp brush. This has been a big plus. Like, this literally gets the dirt off the scalp. I'm not saying you should go and buy a scalp brush. Your finger will do the job for you, but if you can, please get one, and I promise you, you will not regret it. This makes washing my scalp really quick and easy. I know I said 2 times, but I figured out that my hair could use a third wash. So I'm going in with some shampoo to wash my hair the third time, because this hair needs to be clean. I don't know when next time I'll be opportune to wash it, except when I take down my hair. And I don't have that in my schedule yet. I don't know when I'm taking down this hair, so right now let me just give it a good wash. This time around, I'll not be using the scalp brush, just my finger, and then I'll run it down throughout my hair, and that is it. I'll just rinse it off and then move to deep conditioning. Voila, we are done with washing the hair. As you can see, this is absolutely clean, like nothing. Very, very clean. I really did a good job. Now let's get into deep conditioning. You already know how important deep conditioning is, all right? You already know that, so you don't, or you're not even thinking of skipping deep conditioning on your wash day. Please do not do that, all right? Because your hair will be feeling so dry, and you don't even need the most expensive conditioners for you to get the job done. This conditioner is literally, how much did I even get this shampoo? I can't remember, but it's around 3,000. It's around 3,000 or 3,005. It is quite cheap, and it really gets your hair very soft. It is a moisturizing shampoo which is formulated with tea tree oil that help restore shine, promote hair growth, and scalp health. There are a lot of good cheap products in the market. Like I usually say, the most expensive is not the most effective, all right? Being so expensive does not mean it is effective. If you want me to make a video of cheap conditioners and shampoos in the market, please let me know and I'll do that. After applying the deep conditioner, I'll just go ahead and put on my shower cap again. I allow this to sit for at least 10 minutes. I'll take a shower, and after that I'll just go ahead and rinse this off. Hope you don't go anywhere, just sit tight, we'll be right back. So this is after 10 minutes. I have already taken my shower, so it is now time for me to rinse off the conditioner, and then I will go in with a leave-in conditioner, and then we'll call it a day. After rinsing out the deep conditioner, I'll just go ahead and use my shirt to dry out the excess water before I apply my leave-in conditioner, which is the last thing we will need to do before we call it a day. After taking out the excess water, let's go ahead and apply a leave-in conditioner. I'll be using the Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. This is another cheap leave-in conditioner in the market, and it is very good. Like, I've been using this thing for more than 4 years now, and it has never failed me. This guarantees moisture retention. Like, your hair will literally be moisturized for the next 4 days. I have used some leave-in conditioner in the past, and I can tell you that this one is one of my favorites, though. Based on the ones I have used, this one has catered for my type 4C hair, because it literally keeps my hair very soft and moisturized for a longer period of time. If you're still watching till this point, please consider subscribing, like, and comment. All right, so I'll be able to bring you guys more videos. We have finally come to the end of this video. If you learned one or two, do well to subscribe, like, and comment. All right, see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.